Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to use Proton Calendar offline step by step. It's important to know that Proton Calendar is designed to sync your events through your Proton account, so some features require an internet connection. However, you can still access certain previously synced calendar data while your device is offline. So let's get started. First, make sure you've opened Proton Calendar and allowed it to fully sync while you're connected to the internet. This ensures your latest events, reminders, and calendar changes are stored on your device for offline access where supported. Next, if you're using the Proton Calendar mobile app, simply open the app when you're offline. You'll usually be able to view events that were previously synchronized before you lost your internet connection. You can also review upcoming appointments, meeting times, and saved event details without an active internet connection. If you create or edit events while offline, your changes may be stored locally and automatically synced to your Proton account the next time your device reconnects to the internet. Depending on your app version and platform, keep in mind that features requiring real-time communication, such as sharing calendars, syncing new changes across devices, or receiving updated invitations, won't work until you're back online. Finally, once your internet connection is restored, open Proton Calendar again and give it a few moments to sync. Verify that any offline changes have been uploaded successfully and that your calendar is fully up to date across all your signed-in devices. And that's it. You now know how to use Proton Calendar offline, view previously synced events, and automatically sync your changes once you're back online. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides.